It is Saturday the 5th of October and you join me for my next tour. As you can see, I have a new bike, the Royal Enfield Bullet 350. It's 8:30 in the morning and just leaving the sort of Cambridgeshire, Hertfordshire area. I've got a weekend in the Peak District. First stop is now no, first proper stop is Anderton boat lift in 170 miles, and that's where I'll be meeting Rob, Darren and Bob. Well, you'd have met Rob if you've seen any of my previous videos. Rob's got the Honda NT 1100, Darren's got the Triumph Tiger 1200, and Bob has got a GS 1250. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the 350 Bullet gets on with the bigger bikes. But yeah, looking forward to it. As I say, the first stop is in 170 miles, just topped up with fuel. Yeah, Anderton boat lift. Then after that we're going across the peaks, which will be really nice. It's a nice route that Rob's planned. Then staying at Rob's parents tonight, and then tomorrow night a bit more of the peaks, and then back home. So today, as I say, to Anderton lift is 170 miles, and then after Anderton lift around the peaks is about 100 miles. So we'll be doing nearly 300 miles today. It's about, I think it was about 5 degrees this morning when I left, so it's a bit fresh, but I'm not too bad. All in all, update again, I'm just on the B645 now, which is the road from sort of St Neots to through Kimbolton and then up to Higham Ferriers. This is a lovely biking road. If you haven't done it, I highly recommend it. Coming into Kimbolton and Stoneleigh, lovely villages these are. Some nice houses around here. Kimbolton School just up on the left here. Still all Kimbolton School there. Also another entrance for it there. It's absolutely huge. So lay-by is where I usually stop, get a picture of the wind turbines in the background, but time constraints today. I need to meet the boys about 12:30, so none of that today, unfortunately. You know, the one thing I am missing, heated grips. I think heated grips are a must. I was thinking, oh, do I really need heated grips? But yeah, I realised how much I miss heated grips, so I think there'll be definitely something for next year. I'll get some heated grips fitted on these. Looks like we're getting onto, I believe, the A6 now. I really hope that sun burns through the clouds, because I am freezing. Right, this bit's going to be a bit boring, so I'll give a quick update though. So it's 20 past 9 nearly, so I've been on the road nearly an hour, and I've done 41 miles. I've only averaged about 40 miles, but I have had to fill up as well in that hour. So yeah, I'll give you an update in a bit. See you in a bit, bye. Morning all, it's now just a quick update. It's 5 past 10, and just got to Leicester. I have got 2 hours 20 minutes to go. I've done 75 miles and I've got 101 miles to go. Traffic's starting to build up now as well. I'll keep you updated and I'll see you in a bit. Right, all just another update. It's now 20 past 10. Just getting on the M1. Not sure how long I'm on here for. I think by the looks of the B line, maybe only 2 miles, but that may be just to keep right or something and still being on the M1. But now we are 80 miles in exactly, and we've got 95 miles to go. So yeah, and the sun is slowly coming out now. Oh, 40. Alright guys, now 10:36. Just a quick update. Just coming off the M1 now at the A50. I was on there in the end for about 15 miles. The 350 though, took it in his stride, done really well, really pleased with that. And yeah, a quick update, I'll catch you in a bit. Our first bit of traffic, this is the A50. I'm guessing it's because of the roundabout, but I'm not 100% sure, because I've got a roundabout in 1.8 miles, but at the same time it's a lot of traffic just for a roundabout, but maybe it's known for that, I'm not quite sure. Also done 130, nearly 132 miles this morning now, and I think I've got about an hour left now, which isn't too bad. Yeah, it's just 10 past 11 now. So yeah, making up good time. The bike's doing really well. Sun is shining. Yeah, no, really enjoying it. It's still a bit chilly, but going at this speed is quite nice. Stops the wind chill. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. Anyway, thought I'd give you an update, and I'll catch you in a bit. Right, coming up to apparently why there's such slow traffic. It's gone down to 1 lane apparently. If that's roadworks or what. Right, guys, just now at Stoke-on-Trent. It's now nearly 25 past 11. And I've got 56 minutes left to go. Should be there hopefully about 20 past 12. So looking like I'll be on time at the moment. Fingers crossed. Obviously he'll hit that last bit of traffic. But yeah, no, it's all going good. About to merge onto the M6, I believe. Sun is shining nicely now. Oh blimey, I'm on it for 26.5 miles. Hopefully them miles will go quickly. I'm not going to bore you with, sorry about the wind noise. I'm not going to bore you with this though, and I'll see in a bit for these services. Down to 2 bar now, done nearly 150 miles. I think it'll be good for 200 miles, but I'd rather just fill up. I know it's the services, but so it'll be more expensive. However, it's only a small 13 litre tank, so it swings around about fuel. Alright, let's fill her up. Oh, that's a bit full, that. What's that? It's only 7.5 litres. Alright, what number am I? Number 3. Oh, so, oh, cheers. Alright, just about to get off the M6 now onto the A5. Ooh, 556. Shit. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you see them 2 cars? Oh, my heart just oh, blimey. Sorry, as I was saying, just about to get off the M6 onto the A556. I've only got what 10 minutes till my destination, which is good. Oh, better see where I'm going. Yeah, so 10 minutes till my destination, and I'll be there, and hopefully the guys will be there too. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so apparently I am only 2 minutes away. Anderton boat lift. Is that the parking, do you think, though? Right, so yeah, 176 miles. It is now 12:34, so what's that took me? 4 hours and 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, that's not bad. Good going. Right, I'll give you an update in a bit when I've found the guys, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, met up with the lads. Just going to just leave an Anderton boat lift now and then head into Superbike Factory. Not been there before, so it'd be nice to have a look around. Then doing the peaks.
I'm selling my bike, it's giving it song.
So what road's this, do we know? This is the Cat and Fiddle. Nice. It's fairly accurate. What, North High? Turned out. Yeah, just a bit. Yeah, it's lovely. Oh, some beautiful roads in there. That looks beautiful over there, doesn't it? So yeah, to the left here then is Winnet's Pass. So that's Mamtor to the right, yeah? Sorry. so that's Mamtor to the left, yeah? I'll just edit that bit out. What? Yeah, yeah. Hey. Whereabouts are we, roughly? So apparently this road is near Penistone. That was a lovely little road, that. When are we getting fuel? I could do with fuel in the next 15 miles. Really pretty. What road is this, did you guys say? Like Woodhead bypass. Yeah, lovely. A628, cheers mate. Cool, look through there. Woodhead Reservoir. Oh, okay, cool. Hello, darling. Hello. Tequila. Wow. Welcome to Kirklees. Oh, it's a nice road to come off on. Oh, really? Bloody beautiful. Do we know what it is? Oh, unnamed road. Oh, that's a shame. Something Head Road. Western Road. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, bloody hell, yeah. That is a nice view. Oh wow, yeah. That is a nice view. This is like Buttertubs. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, that with that sun that sort of caresses the hills. Looks really nice. BA 6024, nice. 6024. Ooh. Guy taking pictures there. Roadrunner pics. Remember Roadrunner pics. This reminds me of Germany. Yeah. Yeah, can do. You alright?
I've got sheep since I've been pegged. I wonder why I slipped off it.
Oh. Alright guys, just about to leave Matlock Bath. Missed the rain for most part. Catching the rain now, but on the way home now. Probably won't record anymore. But I hope you enjoyed this little mini series, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Apologies for the wind noise, but just a quick one, just to say that if you are thinking about getting a Royal Enfield Bullet, but you're worried that you won't be able to do motorways, you can do motorways. I'm on the M1 right now, and it is comfortable, really comfortable.